If you're using BigCommerce to grow your brand, connecting Kintsugi lets you automate and simplify your sales tax compliance. It's easy to get started. We just go into Data Sources, Browse Integrations, and we click on BigCommerce. And now we need to get the Kintsugi app. In our case, we're going to log into an existing store, though you could create a new BigCommerce account. And we are going to install. We need to confirm that we want to give access. The install process may want to pop open another window. If you have a pop-up blocker, you may not see. So you will need to allow pop-up windows when doing this install process. And so now we have installed. So if we come back here to data sources, we can see our BigCommerce is currently syncing. This initial sync will pull in all of your data, all of your transactions, your customers, your products, and our initial import is complete. So if we go to the dashboard, we will see we have some pending tasks. The two most important things when you first import are to go look at your products. And what you'll see here is Kintsugi Intelligence, the AI engine in Kintsugi, has gone through and has automatically assigned a category and subcategory. The reason this is so important is not all products are taxed the same. So you need to review this and approve, or you can bulk approve. The next thing you should take a look at is invalid addresses. In the US, in many jurisdictions, how sales tax is assessed is based on the ship to address. So you need to make sure that these are accurate. You can, again, update individual items, or you can bulk update. And we can take a look here. Our customers have come in, our products, as we looked at, and our transactions have come in. So now Kintsugi is all set to begin monitoring for you for exposure. In the US, this is called Nexus, that threshold you reach where you're now responsible to register and begin collecting taxes. And then when you're ready, Kintsugi is here to help you register and to file.